clever combination of round baler and wrapper in a single machine from a single source. The Combipack, by Krone, of course. Both the Combipack 1500V MultiCut with a variable bale chamber and a maximum bale diameter of 1.5 meters, and the Combipack 1250 MultiCut with a fixed bale chamber and a bale diameter of 1.25 meters do the same job, baling and wrapping in a single operation. At a working width of 1.95 meters, the crop is completely picked up. The Krone MultiCut cutter bars work with 0, 7, 15 or 17 knives and a theoretical length of cut of 64 millimeters. The Combipack 1250 MultiCut works according to the fixed chamber system using the proven chain and slat conveyor. The bales have a diameter of 1.25 meters and a width of 1.2 meters. The Combipack 1500V MultiCut works with a variable bale chamber and 2 chain and slat conveyors. The bales have a diameter of 1 to 1.5 meters and a width of 1.2 meters. The Krone Combipacks work fully automatically and offer maximum operating comfort. All machine functions are controlled via the onboard electronic and hydraulic systems. The tandem axle and large volume low pressure tyres guarantee low ground pressure and smooth driving when changing the work locations. On the Combipack 1250 MultiCut, the bale lifter transfers the bale to the chain and slat conveyor of the wrapping table. Whereas on the Combipack 1500V, the bale is first deposited on a transfer table and then conveyed on the wrapping table. On both balers, the bale chamber now closes automatically. While a new bale is being produced at the front of the machine, the wrapper starts turning, with twin satellite pre-stretcher arms, in double quick time. The complete wrapping process of the Krone Combipacks is always fully automatic. The wrapping table tilts and discharges the bale. To protect the film, the bale first rolls on a rubber mat and then on the turf. Turning bales on end, Krone has solved this problem as well. The wrapped bale is turned through 90 degrees and then stood on its end. Krone, convincing technology. Not only for silage, but also when used in straw harvesting, the Combipacks meet all practice requirements. The Combipack 1500V MultiCut fascinates. The diameter of 1.5 meters in straw required here is achieved fully. Film wrapping is not required. The wrapping table acts as a bale collector, meaning that 2 bales can be deposited in one place. That makes subsequent straw collection easier and faster. Krone technology for practical use. The Krone Combipacks are convincing with their perfectly matched baling and wrapping sequences. These compact and maneuverable machines provide superior performance under all conditions, even on very small plots. Krone Combipack. Only one workman. Only one tractor. Simplify logistics. Cut costs. Increase performance. And relieve the strain on the driver.
Krone. Progress is action.